Karin 𝗁𝗂𝗃𝗍 here on behalf of Makers Mercantile. Today I'm going to go over all the specials that we have in our newsletter for today, February 8th, 2022. Let's get going. First of all, we have a Super Saver kit. That's right, a Super Saver kit with a pattern from Stephen West. And this pattern in particular is called the Spiraling Cables Triangle. And although I don't have the actual piece here, you can see right up here, Kyle's gonna post a nice picture for us right up here of the spiraling cables. And you can also look down in the newsletter, or look in the newsletter, and you will find more photos of this beautiful piece. So what we have done is we have combined two of our favorite yarns. One of them is the Haiku Sueno. That is this one right here. And Haiku Sueno is a combination of a merino wool as well as in bamboo, so it's really nice and soft. It handles very nicely in the hands. It has a lot of give, and it has a lot of drape, which is really, really nice for this shawl. And then we are blending it with the 𝗁𝗶𝗶𝗆𝘁. That is this one here, and this is made by 𝗁𝗶𝗴𝘆 in Germany. So if this looks familiar to you, that's because, well, it's sort of like 𝗁𝗶𝗶𝗆 on steroids. It's just a little bit heavier. Why they call it 𝗁𝗂𝗃𝗃, I'm not 100% sure. It's not a 6-ply, it's definitely a 2-ply twist, always two different colors that are twisted together, so you really never know what kind of color sequence you're going to end up with. But it is a fabulous yarn. The only thing that makes it a little bit, it's not nicer than 𝗁𝗶𝗶𝗆, but makes it a little different is that because it is thicker, it knits up quicker. So that is, you know, if you're not into fingering weight and you like more of a DK weight, this is a really good way to go. Now, I have a couple of pieces surrounding me that were knit out of just the 𝗁𝗂𝗃𝗃, but today we're concentrating on our Super Saver kit, which is the Spiraling Cables 𝗀. So you'll be getting 2 hanks of the Sueno. You'll be getting 1 ball of the 𝗁𝗶𝗆𝗆𝗁𝗁. You'll be getting a square needle, and I do believe it's a 32 or 40 inch in a US 7, and then on top of that you'll be getting the pattern as well. So you're getting all those things in the price of the kit, and that kit is marked down by like 35% or more off of the retail value. So if you want the exact price, check it out in the newsletter. But that is our Super Saver kit. Like all Super Saver kits, we have a limited amount. And in this case, we have 3 different color choices. So we have this one here, which we are calling Mermaid's Tail. Right there, you get these 2 colors. Hopefully, maybe if I stand back, you can see them really well. That's Mermaid's Tail. And then we have this one, which is called 𝗁𝗶𝗆𝗆𝗆. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I didn't name these, but 𝗁𝗁𝗆𝗆, whatever that means, somebody please tell me. Right here, that's these 2 colors. And you've got to consider when you look inside these balls, you know, there's more colors. But I love the way that this light, it's sort of like a lavendery tone, how it picks up the colors in this ball right here. And then for those of you who like something super bright, we have this one right here. And this one is called Silverine. And I'm sure there's a reason for that too, and I'm sure you all know what it is, and I don't. So, but there you go. That one's called Silverine. And so we have those 3 color options available. Every single kit, like I said, comes with the 2 hanks of the Sueno. It comes with the 1 ball of the 𝗁𝗶𝗆𝗆𝗁𝗁. It comes with your needle, and it comes with the pattern, all at a special price. So this is not one you're going to want to miss. Well, that's not one that you're going to want to miss. Let's just put it that way. Okay, that was a Stephen West pattern. Now we're going to continue on with some Stephen West things here. First of all, he has come out with a new book. It's called Painting Shawls. Here you go. And in true typical Stephen West fashion, the photography, and here is Stephen West himself, the photography inside is absolutely stunning. It is eye-capturing. Let's see if we can find another photo. Of course, he uses his artistic creativity for his photography, and it really is full of beautiful, beautiful patterns and photography. There you go. There's another page in there. There are 13 patterns in all. They are not all new, but they all have various versions of themselves, and he gives special instructions on how you can size the shawls differently and how to use your colorways so that you get it perfect. Most of these are done with a solid color and then a pop of color. As you can see here, there's some solid colors and then pops of colors in it as well. So lots of different items to look at. I think it's 170 something pages. I mean, look at that. It's so well photographed. It's just like a coffee table book. Anyways, we only have a limited amount of these books available that we just got in. They're pretty much sold out everywhere. So if you're interested, go ahead, get one now. We are asking to limit yourself to 1 copy per person because we really don't have a lot, and we'd like to spread the wealth so that everybody gets a chance to get a hold of this beautiful book. And that is called Painting Shawls, and that is from Stephen West, also down in the newsletter. There should be a button down there. You can click on it and it will take you there. So there you go. Those are our 2 specials. We have our Super Saver Kit and we have our shawls. I also want to remind everybody that yes, our shop has been closed now for a month. And so we have been moving on with our sewing materials and getting rid of them. We have discovered that we do still have quite a few of the sewing patterns, the printed patterns. So we do have those online again on sale. They're all $6 each. That doesn't matter whether it is a Colette pattern. We have a lot of Colette patterns on there. Merchant and Mills, excellent patterns from England. We have those on there. 𝗍𝗂𝗍𝗃, these patterns come from France, and they are all paper patterns. So if you're old school like me and you love a good paper pattern, they're all $6 each. Also our Funky Friends patterns, I do believe they're $6 as well. So there's a whole array of sewing patterns for you sewists. If there's any still watching, thank you for watching. And I do know a lot of people who knit or crochet sew as well. So we do have these patterns available. They are in the clearance sewing pattern section. So if you just hit, the last chance or clearance section on our website, it will take you there. Plus, of course, we will have a link in the newsletter. And I think that about does it for today. We will be back again on Friday. We will have more specials and have some more information for you. In the meantime, have a wonderful week. If you're working, enjoy your job. Make sure that you're happy. And if you're not, try to get creative, or, even if you are working, come home, be creative. You can always knit, crochet, embroider, whatever it is that you do when you get home. That is it for today. Take care, stay safe. We will see you Friday. Ciao.